Our heritage and culture. Heritage, the history and traditions which a country or society has had for many years, forms its heritage. Heritage is of two types: cultural heritage and natural heritage. Historical buildings, monuments, coins, paintings, folk tales, folk dances, handicrafts, and festivals are all the examples of cultural heritage. Natural heritage includes natural features such as mountains, rivers, and forests. Our cultural heritage. Monuments. The historical monuments give us a lot of information about the culture that was present in the olden times. There are sacred monuments like temples, mosques, gurdwaras, churches, chaitas, and monasteries. Some monuments like palaces, forts, and towers are not related to any religion. There are also ruins of Indus Valley, Nalanda University, and Hampi village. Painting. Painting includes cave painting, miniature painting, and folk painting. Cave painting. Early humans painted on the walls of caves are called cave paintings. For example, paintings on the walls of Ajanta and Ellora caves shows Buddha's life. Miniature painting. They are small in size and show the scenes from Mughal courts and battlefields. Folk painting. These paintings are bright. Madhubani painting is an example of it. Dance. Dances are of two types: classical dances and folk dances. It is believed that most of the classical dances begin as a form of worship in temples. For example, Kuchipudi, Kathak, Kathakali, Manipuri, etc. are classical dances. Folk dances are performed on the occasions like birth of a child, wedding, festivals, and harvests. For example, Chau, Dandiya, Thayyam, etc. are examples of folk dances. Music. Music includes folk music and classical music. Folk music is originated from our traditional popular culture. For every occasion, season, and festival, there is a particular song. Lokogit of Assam, Baul of West Bengal, Bhavagathi of Karnataka are few examples. Classical music are of two types: Hindustani music, which developed in northern parts of India, and Carnatic music, which developed in the southern parts of India. Veena, sitar, tabla, etc. are few classical instruments. Language. There are 22 major languages organized by the Constitution of India. Besides, there are 33 official languages. There are a number of dialects and tribal language which are spoken in India. Literature. We have both oral and written records. The knowledge or stories which have been passed down from one generation to another through word of mouth form oral traditions. Religious and non-religious literature forms a part of our heritage. The Vedas, the Ramayana, and the Bhagavad Gita are religious literature. Folk tales, stories, and poems are non-religious literature. Dresses. People in India wear different type of dresses. Traditional dresses worn by people are also a part of our heritage. Some dresses have traditional prints or embroidery, and some are decorated with mirror work. Sari, salwar kameez, lehenga, etc. are traditional dresses. Handicrafts. India is famous for its handicrafts. Some of the famous items are terracotta horses of West Bengal, cane and bamboo crafts of Tripura, puppets of Rajasthan, Kanchipuram saris in Tamil Nadu. Festivals. Festival includes Harvest Festival. They are celebrated when the crops have been cut. For example, Baisakhi in Punjab, Bihu in Assam, Pongal in Tamil Nadu, and Onam in Kerala. National Festival. We celebrate three national festivals such as Republic Day on 26 January, Independence Day on 15th August, and Gandhi Jayanti on 2nd October. Religious festival. People celebrate Diwali, Christmas, Eid, Guru Purab, Buddha Purnima, and Mahavir Jayanti. Special festival. These are organized by state governments to attract tourists to the state. For example, the Tulip Festival of Jammu and Kashmir, the Desert Festival of Rajasthan, the Konark Festival of Odisha, the Taj Mahotsav of Uttar Pradesh, etc. Now let's recall the history and tradition which country or society has had for many years form its heritage. It is classified into natural and cultural heritage. The Constitution of India recognizes 22 languages. Women and men wear different dresses. Men also wear turbans. Folk and classical dances are popular in India. Hindustani and Carnatic are the two styles of classical music in India. India has a rich tradition of painting and handicrafts. Many national, religious, harvest, and special festivals are celebrated in India. Thank you.